All right, so let's move on. The next module is our apparatus. We do provide you with an apparatus list. So this is all your responding apparatus, anything you're going to be using as the fire department. The specifications tab is all the individual pieces about the apparatus that's on the stickers throughout the apparatus. Instead of going to check the sticker for the tire pressure again, you can have it over here instead. Or whatever the fuel filter type, the pump size, all of it, it's all available in here. We actually had mechanics with our different departments tell us what they needed in this view, so this is pretty extensive. We've also given you a place for the sales order numbers, so when you contact the manufacturer, you've got that right at your fingertips as well. The maintenance activity is a filtered view to all the repairs you've had for that apparatus. You can do some searches there. You can show these activities directly from this view if you want some more information on it. And we have a document attachment. I don't recommend repairs here. There's a lot of documents here because they kind of attach everything. But you could do warranty information, registration, anything for the apparatus as a whole that isn't repair specific. All of these activity entries get their own storage. So storing PDFs, invoices, receipts, anything you get, pictures, those I recommend having posted directly with the repair. On the main menu, we give you an easy button to be able to post a repair for an apparatus. So I would say the apparatus that needs to be repaired. Let's say that the headlight is out. You can see we need a problem description in order to continue. Once we have it there, we can click the continue button. It creates it in the activity tracker for us. And as the person requesting the repair, it's a request. We've got our description and who requested it. We can set the apparatus out of service if they're not able to use it as it is. Otherwise, we're just going to close it and it's ready for the person that needs to work with it. I am logged in as a mechanic, so it didn't send out a notification because I don't need to notify myself. But if the person that's doing that request is not a mechanic, then it's also going to send out a notification to the mechanic for them as well. The maintenance list is the place to be able to go see all those repairs in a list view from this month up to today, but you can choose any date range that you're interested in. So we just automatically set it for a month, hoping that apparatus repairs aren't going to go longer than a month, hopefully. But then you've got your apparatus list here, so we can see the requests, whether they're open, requested, or closed. Here's a request that we just created. The service details part is available for anyone that's set with the mechanic attribute. So whether you're a coordinator that's sending these out to providers or whether you're actually a mechanic that's doing repairs, you get that mechanic attribute and then you could access this service details tab, which is going to let you categorize, subcategorize, set a problem type, run hours for the engine and aerial. We've got the service parts, so you could go down to a particular part if you need to. We can also set who the provider is that's taking care of it, the dates that they've had it, what they're quoting you for the cost, and then warranty work as well, and when it expires. Again, you've got that documents attachment, and we've got service mechanic notes that are available here as well. So you can keep recording whatever you need to. The action up here is going to be what changes to say what status the work is at right now. So once it's actually out to a provider, the mechanic's working on it, we could set it to open. Once everything's good, it's back in service, etc., we could set it to closed. And I'm actually going to say it was out of service for 2 hours while we did the repairs. And then we're going to close that form. The activity tracker allows you to print out a detailed report on these. It's going to sub-summary based on the VIN number. So even if the apparatus changed its name over the period that this date range is set, it's going to be subtotaled with every other item with the same VIN number. So you don't have to worry about that part. And then hours out of service and the time spent is in this report. And we summarize it at the very end of that. So you can see how many hours out. You can actually look per apparatus as well. So if you wanted to see for everything for engine 2 in this period, then you could see how many hours it's been out of service for that period of time, how much money it's costing you. Great way to plug for a new apparatus.